Beautiful session. Again, after the IIP session today, I learned a lot of terminologies regarding the methods of differentiation and sessions conducted by, yeah, I forgot the name, Ashika, right?
Ashika ma'am, yes.
Ashika. Yeah, Ashika ma'am and Aditi ma'am. It was really good. And I understood the presentation process and product, these three differentiations very nicely. And have tried to implement all this in my own case when I'm teaching students of this ADHD. And I love the activities, and my team members, we all had a good time. It was fun, developing different topics, and the way we extended the topic, it was fun. And overall, it was a great session. Thank you so much. Thank you.